Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to activate Chase Priority Pass. So in order to do this, you'll have to follow these steps. The first step is checking eligibility. Ensure that your Chase credit card includes the Priority Pass membership as a benefit. Cards like the Chase Sapphire Reserve offer this perk. Now moving on to the second step, log in to your Chase account. Go to Chase website or open the Chase mobile application. Log into your account using your username and password. Now, navigate to your card benefit section. Once you're logged in, locate your eligible credit card. Click on your card to access the details and the benefits associated with it. Now, moving on to the fourth step, that is locating the Priority Pass section. Information regarding the Priority Pass membership. There should be an option to activate or enroll in the Priority Pass. Now, the fifth step is completing the enrollment process. Follow the prompts to activate your Priority Pass membership. This may involve confirming your details and agreeing to the terms of service. After enrolling, Chase will send your Priority Pass membership card to your registered address. Now, you'll have to move on to the sixth step, that is downloading the Priority Pass application. But this is optional. While waiting for your physical card, you can download the Priority Pass application from the App Store or Google Play. Once you receive your membership number, you can create an account in the application to access your digital membership card and view participating lounges. Now, the seventh step is receiving and activating your physical card. Once you receive your physical Priority Pass card in the mail, it should be ready to use. No further activation is usually required for the physical card, but you may need to sign the back of the card. Now you can use your Priority Pass membership at participating airport lounges worldwide. You can present either your physical card or digital membership card via the Priority Pass application at the lounge entrance, and you can start using your Priority Pass pretty easily. And by following these steps, you can activate and start using your Chase Priority Pass. So that's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.